Hey guys, in today's video we'll look at how we can create a new user on a Windows 11 machine. Now we'll be using the computer management app to create the new user. Let's search for computer management here. So computer management. So click on it to open it. And we'll get this pop-up window here, computer management. Under system tools, we want to go to expand system tools, then expand local users and groups, then go to the users folder here, and here you'll see a list of the current users, and you can add a new user here. All you have to do is right click and create new user. Now before you're able to create a new user, you have to be a member of the administrators. The current user is this user right here. If I right click on it and go to properties, member of, you see it as administrators. As a group, I'm able to create users. If we're just users, you won't be able to create a new user. So let's go ahead and create the new user in this space right here. Right click, new user, then give your user a username. Let's say test user 2. And then let's say test user 2, test user 2. Give the user password. And here you can have the option for the user to change the password the first time they log in or the next time they log in. Or you can just disable that. You can also make the password never to expire if you wanted to. Once you have the option selected you want, just click on create, and then you can close this out, and you should have your new user here. Now let's go ahead and log out from the current user and see if we're able to log in with the test user 2. So on the start icon, click on it and then click on the current user and then click on sign out. And here you see you have the different users you can sign in as. So this is our new user, test user 2. Select test user 2 and put in your password that you created. And what it's going to do here is going to create the profile. Since it's the first time the user is connecting to this computer, it's going to take a little while to create the profile. So I'll pause the video briefly and then I'll come back once it's done. Okay, so this is the privacy settings that it wants us to go through. So I'm not gonna enable this for this user. I'm gonna select no, next, accept, and there we are. We are logged in as the new user. If I click on the start icon or the Windows icon here, it should show the user here. Now if you wanted to delete a user, you can use the same process. Go to computer management, and then go under local users and groups, users. To delete a user, you just right click and delete. But again, you need to have administrator rights in order to do that. Otherwise, it's gonna give you an error message. Since we don't have those rights, we won't be able to delete the user. So it's gonna say that access is denied. Again, if I go to the properties, you'll see that under member of, the user is not a member of the administrator group. So that's all for this video. That's how you can create a new user, and also how you can delete a user on Windows 11. I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.